Instantaneous dipole, and I say those are the kinds of dipoles that originate in, check this out, non-polar molecules as the reason for why it is nitrogen forms a liquid. Because when you think about why would it form a liquid, well, the reason is because of its instantaneous dipole. We'll learn that on Tuesday. In the meantime, sitting right inside here is about 60 gallons of liquid nitrogen. Now I'm going to bring out about 20 liters of boiling water. What better thing to do than throw 20 liters of boiling water into 60 liters of liquid nitrogen? Now, the people, and so here's the thing, if it's done right, you guys will think it's like the coolest thing in the world. Done wrong, somebody could be severely injured, or worse, it could be a dud of a demonstration. So first of all, understand this, barefoot actually has its place, because this is something you need to understand. There was a time I was doing a Longhorn Halloween, and they got shut down by the fire marshal. Because a lot of the demonstrations I'll do in here where I slow stuff and do this, I was doing it in front of 4-year-olds, and they all sat around me, like they sat right here. The fire marshal did not think anything of this going well. And I said, what's the problem? And he said, well, that's a cryogen. And I said, yes, it is such a good cryogen that you can pour it over your linen. And even though it's minus 200 degrees, because the vapor pressure is so high, you're fine. He was so unimpressed by my pouring cryogen over the top of my hand that he shut this chemistry circuit for 500 kids down right there. That escorted me out of the building, and that was the end of that. All right. Since then, I still perform at Longhorn Halloween, but I have to call the fire marshal's boss and tell him to leave me alone. All right.
He still performs.
So here's the thing. In which direction should we dump this water? This way? No. That way. Because if you dump it this way and you miss, then boiling water is all over. Also, it is probably a good idea if the people sitting in the front row are not stoked. Because you're about to be stoked otherwise. All right. Alright, so you go over there, and I'll be over here, and guys, here's how this goes. I'm going to say 3, 2, 1, now. And when I say now, you're going to take that boiling water and you're going to turn it upside down and let it go straight down. But you will hold on to the coffee pot. You're not going to pour slowly like some weenie. You're going to go down. Got it? 3, 2, 1, now. All right? Not now. All right. The other thing is you have to do it right. If you do it, this is where I say something sexist, so I won't. Like somebody who is uncoordinated in the use of their hands for dexteral purposes. Like an honor student. There you go. So anyway, you pick this up here so that you're holding the plastic. Go ahead, like this. And if you're right-handed, you hold it like this. And if you're left-handed, you switch hands. Oh. Never appear to be safe. Now, what are you doing? Are you going to go that way? All right, you're going to go, dude, you're an honor student, right? What are you doing? You're going to have to pour that way. You're not ready to pour that way, are you? Put it down. Oh, don't do that. You're going to drip. Oh, yeah, I see that. I'm not you left-handed? There. There you go. So we're going to go 3, 2, oh, by the way, those of you nearby, there will be no oxygen for a while, so don't try to breathe. For you guys especially, let it go, and when you do, don't breathe for a while, keep your eyes closed, and then feel for liquid nitrogen accumulating on some part of your body, and then rip those clothes off. Ready? Remember, 3, 2, 1, bang. Ready? Here goes. 3, 2, 1, bang!
can't see our feet.
Oh, you can pull that off now.
Oh, there it goes.
This is amazing.
All right, a brief bit of review. A brief bit of review here to set the stage for what